Welcome to my YouTube channel Earth of Knowledge.
What is the name of the Islamic day of celebration after Ramadan? Eid al-Fitr, Eid al-Adha, Laylatul Qadr, Isra and Miraj. Correct answer is Eid al-Fitr. How many rakats are there in the Isha prayer? 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct answer is 4. What is the name of the battle in which the Muslim defeated Quraysh in 624 AD? Battle of Uhud, Battle of Badr. Correct answer is Battle of Badr. What is the Islamic Arabic term for the act of seeking forgiveness? Saum, Tawbah, Hajj, Zakat. Correct answer is Tawbah. What is the name of the prayer performed at noon? Fajr, Zohar, Asr, Maghrib. Correct answer is Zohar. What is the name of the night prayer in Islam? Fajr, Zohar, Asr, Isha. Correct answer is Isha. Who was the second Caliph of Islam? Umar ibn Khattab, Usman ibn Affan, Abu Bakr, Ali ibn Talib radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu. Correct answer is Umar ibn Khattab radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu. What is the name of the battle in which Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was injured? Battle of Uhud, Battle of Badr, Battle of Khandaq, Battle of Hunayn. Correct answer is Battle of Uhud. What is the term for the Islamic community? Ummah, Jamaat, Qibla, Hadith. Correct answer is Ummah. What is the name of the prayer performed in the afternoon? Fajr, Zohar, Asr, Maghrib. Correct answer is Asr.
Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.